For decades, India was known as one of the world's largest importers of defense equipment. From fighter jets and submarines to missile systems, the country heavily relied on foreign suppliers to meet its defense needs. But over the last decade, a remarkable transformation has taken place. India is now no longer focusing on buying defense equipment, it is increasingly building, innovating, and exporting it. And the numbers tell you an incredible story. Let us start with government spending. In 2013 and 14, India's defense budget stood at 2.53 lakh crore rupees. And for 2026 and 27, the defense budget has risen to 7.85 lakh crore rupees. That's nearly a 3.14 increase in just over a decade. But simply spending more money isn't enough. The real question is, where is that money going? A key indicator is defense capital expenditure. This is the money spent on acquiring new military equipment, technology, aircraft, ships, weapon systems, and infrastructure. In 2014 and 15, defense capital expenditure stood at around 94,587 crore rupees, and today it has increased to 2.19 lakh crore rupees. This reflects India's growing investment in modernizing its armed forces while also supporting domestic manufacturing. At the same time, policies such as Make in India and the push for self reliance in defense encouraged more equipment to be manufactured within the country. Private companies, startups, and public sector enterprises all became part of a rapidly expanding defense ecosystem. The result? India's defense production has surged. In 2014 and 15, defense production was valued at around 46,429 crore rupees. By 2025-26, it had reached a record of 1.78 lakh crore rupees, and that's more than 4 times higher than a decade ago. This growth is creating opportunities across manufacturing, engineering, electronics, aerospace, and defense technology. But perhaps the most striking number is defense exports. In 2013 and 14, India's defense exports were just 686 crore rupees. And fast forward to FY25, and exports have reached 38,424 crore rupees. That's a 55-fold increase. Today, India defense products are being exported to more than 80 countries around the world. And this suggests that Indian made defense equipment is becoming increasingly competitive in global markets. In other words, higher investment has translated into greater production and rising exports. So, why does this matter? A stronger defense industry means more manufacturing jobs, more technological innovation, and greater opportunities for Indian companies. It also reduces dependence on foreign suppliers and strengthens India's strategic capabilities. And as exports continue to grow, the sector could become an important source of foreign exchange earnings as well. Of course, challenges remain. India still imports several advanced defense technologies, and competition in global defense markets is intense. But the direction is clear. Over the last decade, India has moved from being primarily a buyer of defense equipment to becoming a serious defense manufacturer and exporter. Whether this momentum continues will depend on innovation, technology development, and execution. But one thing is certain, the defense sector of 2025 looks very different from the defense sector of 2013. And this transformation could be one of India's most important industrial success stories in the years ahead. What do you think? Do you think India can become one of the world's leading defense manufacturing and export hub? Do let me know in the comments. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.